A very warm welcome to our manager, Puan Noor Shaida Binti Mohammed, myself, Harish Krishna Reddy, and my team members as computer forensic investigators, Kishan Rao, Darwin Dandraj, and Jason Raj, will now perform our analysis that we have done using a sample. Our team has done a research about the subject malware. So malware analysis is the process of understanding the behavior and the purpose of a suspicious file or URL. The output of the analysis aids in the detection and mitigation of the potential threat. Now I'll pass to Jason Raj.
Thanks, Harish. So, malware sample. We have taken the particular sample called malware file network.pcap file. So, we have used this sample for the analysis process. So, we have used various tools for this malware analysis. This is because we want to know the real, because each tool can detect a different behaviors of that particular file. So we have decided to use 5 tools that are network miner, Wireshark, Capsa, Microsoft Network Monitor, and Packet Total. 4 of it are dynamic tool and 1 is static tool. So in this video, Kishan Rao will be explaining about network miner. Arish will be explaining on Wireshark. Darwin will be explaining on Capsa and Packet Total, and myself will be explaining on Microsoft Network Monitor. Now I pass to Kishan for this part.
Okay, thank you, Jason. Okay, for network miner, so network miner is an open source network forensic analysis tool, NFAT, for Windows. So network miner can be used as a passive network sniffer or packet capturing tool in order to detect operation system sessions, host name, and open ports. So basically, and also for the task that given by the manager to us was to find a lot of the ports, host name, dates, and all those kind of things. So one of the tools that we used was network miner, and it's also an dynamic analysis tool. So let me start from there were many tabs or there were many pages in that application. So and before that, this was the main one. So as you all can see, there are many tabs and all. So from there, I got result from 3 of it. So for let me start from the host page. It shows us the host IP address, MAC address, and many more. There was like incoming sessions and host details, all those kind of details. And next would be the session page. So the session page showed us the client host, client port, server host, server port, and protocol, and what was the start time, when was it done. As you all can see, it's 2005, January 14th, and it's like exact time 1:50 with 41 seconds UTC, and all this you all can see. And on the DNS page, it will show the timestamp, client and server host, client port again, and DNS TTL, the time, and what was the DNS query, and DNS answer. So this was a basic summary of what we got from network miner. So I would like to pass to Harish for the next one, that will be Wireshark.
Thanks, Kishan. So now I'll be continuing on Wireshark. Okay, Wireshark is the world's foremost and widely used network protocol analyzer. It lets you see what's happening on your network at a microscopic level, and is the de facto standard across many commercial and non-profit enterprises, government agency, and educational institutions. The main reason I took Wireshark as the tool for this because the file given, the malware given, was in PCAP file, which Wireshark is the most suitable to. So now we can look at the Wireshark page, front page. This is how it would look. Okay, So after inserting the file into the Wireshark, so it will show many frames, and I have chosen frame 41. So when choosing frame 41, we can see it displays the MAC address at top, and then it also displays the time and date of the file, and also the port number. So after adding the file into the Wireshark, we have to check the time of the malware, MAC address, and port number in the frame. So that's all from me.
Okay. For my turn, I have used CAPSA tool. Okay, CAPSA is a network analyzer freeware for Ethernet monitoring and troubleshooting and analysis. It provides user with great experience to learn how to monitor network activities, pinpoint network problems, enhance network security. As you can see, the graphical interface was so convenient. It just had a graphical interface of graphs and so on. So it was so convenient to see, and you can able to see the meters and so on. So it is good for a beginner to start with it, as I'm one of the intern who is getting used to this, and I felt it was great to find this tool. And this tool is also a family of packet analyzer. So basically it has many choices in it, and one of the tools was in it I have found was packet builder. Okay, I have import the malware file in the packet builder, and other tools there are Mac Scanner, Packet Player, Ping, and so on. As I have said, it is a family of packet analyzer. You can do much on it. Okay, I have done the research, and upon I have inserted, there were 128 files on the number itself, and it shows delta time, source, where does it from, destination, protocol, size, and summary as well. And upon clicking every single file on it, it just displays the information like packet info, Ethernet type 11, Internet protocol, and where does the IP address originated from, and so on and extra. The tools packet builder in CAPSA allows to import and analyze. The analysis consists of packet info, Ethernet type 11, and extra data and FCS. And the interesting part, it has summary for a beginner. To start with a summary and looking into it, it is clearly an easy job in malware analysis. And I have seen this and I experienced a good experience, and it is easy to use as well. So now over to Jason Raj.
Thanks, Dareen. So I have choose Microsoft Network Monitor. So Microsoft Network Monitor is a dependent packet analyze enables capturing, viewing, and analyzing network data and decrypting network protocols. It can be used to troubleshoot network problems and application on a network. So this is the main interface of the Microsoft Network Monitor. Microsoft Network Monitor is one of the earlier tools used to analyze network packet for network packet. So like PCA P5. So the process is very easy. Just we have to put the file into the application, and we can see the analysis process. As you can see, it shows many time frame, around 41 time frames. So in that we can see is time date of that malware activity. Moreover, we can view the MAC address of the DNS server host for the DNS server host. So then the main thing, we can view the client server host, client and server host, client and server port, source and destination address for the particularly IP address for the particular server host IP address 192.168.1.2. Not only that, we can get few other server ports for that particular server host. So I have choose two different frames to show the server ports. So both efforts, different server port, different client and server host and destiny address. So that's what I have done for my part, for my analysis part. Now I pass to Darwin. Back.
Okay, that all was dynamic analysis that we have to run through the malware packet file to see what are the changes occurring in the system. So we have done static analysis too with one of the tool, and it is well known for others as well. Okay, static analysis is basically scanning a malware. So I have choose Packet Total. Packet Total is a free online PCAP analyzer designed to visualize network traffic, detect malware, and provide analytics for the traffic contained within. So basically, it is only used for the format of PCAP files. Okay, as you can see on this analysis process, we're able to see just by scanning the timestamp, connection ID, sender IP, sender ports, just like 1393, the target IP, target port 53, and transport protocol, transaction ID, query and query class, and so on. And other than that, on the option of above the tabs, you can see DNS, strange activity, community tag, similar packet captures, which is the malware contains in other similar packet as well. So we can able to see what are the similar packets, and we're also able to be alert on that type of similar packets. And you can see for the strange activities, it states that the timestamp, sender IP, and so on, the name of it, and additional information and alert as well. So we have to just upload the file, and it will automatically start its analysis. It will show an analysis of target IP address and sender IP address and target port, timestamp, and etc. Just as I have said. Upon just scanning, you're able to get all those information. So I find it a very useful tool for Packet Total. And yeah, that's all from me.
So before I would like to thank and finishing our was our research all about. I would like to take time where we would like to tell this was the dynamic analysis tool and static analysis tool for that we used to gather mainly informations like server ports, the port name, IP address, when was the start, the time, date, and all those things. As and total, I think we achieved to get all the information that was given to us to find. So I think this is all of the tools are a very great tool that we can get basically mainly for whatever network file that I would say. All these like Network Miner, Capsa, Wireshark, Monito network, and also Packet Total is all of this. I would say it gives us a very informative and the whatever info that we need, very important in this. So from here, I would like to thank each and everyone, and thank you on behalf of myself, Kishan, Harish Krishna Reddy, Darwin, and Jason Raj. Thank you.